Guys, I quickly want to show you this landing page over here that I recently created that is now generating me close to $1,500 every single month, literally while I eat, sleep, and poop, and how it's generated me over $3,100 so far in total, and over 350 euros as well. On top of that, currently over $57 available today that I was paid today passively. Just to refresh this dashboard to show you this is accurate and live earnings over here. Just waiting for this to load. As you can see, currently still the same, so it would have been quite cool if we actually got a sale like live right now, but we didn't. But as you can see, I've got over 3,500 leads so far and currently 68 active leads every single month with this affiliate program that is now paying me every single month. The reason why I'm so big on the proof is because I want to show you that this does actually work, and we're going to be using completely free traffic. We're not going to be spending any money on paid ads. All of this is completely free traffic. You don't want to miss this one, so I would really appreciate it if you can leave a like on this video. It really pumps me up to see you guys enjoy my videos, and leave support and positive comments on my channel. Also comment down below anything that you'd like to. If you have a question, I reply and heart to every comment. Also, I'm going to leave a giveaway down in the description down for you guys for an ebook on how you can build a Snapchat business with Snapchat ads. Very interesting course. It's completely free. Don't worry, I paid for it. I'm now giving it to you. So if you want to get more giveaways like this and get tons of daily videos on how to make money online, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on, and I will send you a message every time I do so. But without further ado, guys, the first step that you guys want to do is we're going to come over to buildroll.com. This is the affiliate program that I'm using to make money online with this. I've had a couple of people tell me in the comments that you need to be paid on a paid plan to actually make money with this. That's not true. All you need to do is just click on the affiliates tab over here. You can sign up a completely free account. It will take you to the new affiliate 5.0 dashboard. Scroll down to the bottom over here, and where it says Option 1, Builderall Customer Affiliate, and Option 2, Builderall Solo Affiliate, you need to click on option number 2, because this is how you can sign up as a Builderall affiliate completely for free. Click on Apply to become a Builderall Solo Affiliate. You just need to enter your first name, last name, email, phone number, country, state, your complete address, if you have a YouTube channel, your Instagram, any of your social media leads. And what I would suggest is for your leads, just enter an amount of like 1,500. Don't enter zero. You want to give Builderall a reason to accept you. And why do you want to promote Builderall? Because I want to build an online business, and you can suggest to them, I used to have the free package back in the day and I want to build an online business with Builderall. What is your strategy promoting Builderall? You can just say YouTube and social media. And what is the platform you're going to create your funnels and promote Builderall? You can put Google ads and many social media paid ads. How long have you been working with digital marketing? I would suggest type in anything longer than a year. So just type in 2 years. If you're approved, can we do a quick Zoom call so our team can get to know you better? I would suggest click on yes, because like you're showing interest that you actually want to talk to them, and they will then approve your application there. Once you've approved your application, your dashboard's going to look like this. Come over to the affiliates tab. Over here is your affiliate link. Now, what I need you to do is I need you to click on it's this page over here. The funnel club over here, and you want to scroll down. Here you can see is your default affiliate link to the Builderall homepage. Scroll down some more, and you want to use this link over here. The checkout $1 is your unique affiliate link over here. So as an affiliate for Builderall, you can get Builderall for just $1. So you can't actually pay $1 on Builderall if you're not going through somebody's affiliate link. You'll see if you go directly to Builderall's website and I come over to plans, you're going to pay $29 a month, $69 a month, or $99 a month. Now, I suggest as an affiliate, you can actually go and give Builderall to people for $1, giving them a reason to sign up to you. So I use this to my advantage to build a Builderall business. I also use Builderall as a tool builder and a funnel builder. So it's a great tool to really build a business. And this is the bridge page that I actually created with Builderall. I'll give you a little tutorial now. And I just basically gave people claim your spots over here, a little video, tell me if this sounds familiar, and basically the steps on what you need to do with Builderall: purchase, download all your funnels, and make sales, and some results from people. So I made a very amazing landing page that is converting extremely well with this. What you need to do is come over to your Builderall account over here. Once you've actually got Builderall, it's going to look like this. You want to click on the Cheetah website builder over here. You want to click on new website over here, click on choose over here. Just wait for this to load, and on this page over here you will see, just make sure you've clicked on all, tons of different templates that you can use. So for example, if I click on there's actually the one that I wanted to show you over here. Let me just scroll on some more. It was this page over here, the sales page structure. So if I click on preview, take a look at the sales page. So this is the template I recommend you use over here. You can see over here how to create a lead capture page that converts 50% of your visitors into leads without paying for copywriting. So this page and template is actually done for you already, made for Bullroll. You just need to put some customer reviews. But as you can see, over here is like all the special bonuses and get started today for only, and you want to change this to $1. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on select this page over here, click on save. You'll see it will take a couple of seconds to build your website, and over here you want to go and edit your home page in the live Bullroll editor. So as you can see on this page over here, you at the top, let's go from top to bottom over here, you can put something that grabs attention. So what I recommend is use something like this. I just put here, warning, this is a limited time offer, giving people, all right, this is limited, I want to jump onto this now before it ends. It's a great way of marketing, so you can just paste this over here, double click text, and you can put something like that. You can change the background of this area over here by just right click on it, click on background settings, and you want to choose gradient color over here and just make it that red, and you can make the second one like a darker black color. You can play around with your colors completely. You can change the background of your landing pages. For the title of my landing page, I just use something like this: how we made over $3,900 in 48 hours. So that is, I got from my dashboard on my affiliates tab, my total affiliate commissions, and how you can learn from us and copy our funnel right now for just $1. So over here you've got the get started now button, and this button I've linked to my affiliate link over here on my dashboard, to that $1 checkout page where people only pay for Bullroll for $1 and get access to all these different funnels. So that's what's amazing about a funnel like Bullroll, is really this $1 tool plays a huge role in signing up affiliates to this tool and actually getting a lot of signups through your link. And over here I just built the step 1 or 2 process. And what I suggest when making your own landing page, put a lot of text. Also go get some results of people. And you want to have lots of buttons like give me access over here, some more results, and join us today and get these bonuses. So you can put all these bonuses over here. So like a top affiliate training, access to our high converting traffic sources, complete step-by-step training video setup done for you high converting sales funnels, all for access for just $1. And over here you can get started now. So once you've loaded up your Bullroll template and designed a good funnel or a page that looks like this, the next thing that you want to do is you can start off by coming over to Quora.com, and I'm going to design for you the perfect post that you can actually embed your brand new page into Quora answers and replies to get lots of clicks and lots of people to sign up through your affiliate links. Over here I've just signed into my Quora account, and I suggest build your own Quora profile. So you can click on add question over here. You can start off with a question, and you can say here how to build a successful online business, or you can say like this. If I scroll to the top, how we made over $3,900 in 48 hours, and then you can have a link to this funnel page that you've created on your Quora post. And you also then want to go reply to other people's Quora posts with your profile, with your own Quora post, so that people will click on your profile, see more about you, and then they're going to read through your questions as well. And ultimately that just leads to the most exposure as possible. So we can go and type here, for example, internet marketing. We can click on enter over here, and you can see here what is online marketing, what is the best way to learn internet marketing. Over here is a whole story. You can see if I click on more over here, someone basically just gives you 8 tips on what is internet marketing, and this little post got 516 views. Okay, it's not hundreds of thousands, but it's pretty decent. I'll even upvote that for him. And what you can do is you can go and reply to these people's comments, and you can copy something like this. The secret of making money online. I'm just going to copy this whole answer over here, and you can go see your proof for yourself. So you can copy this, and what you want to do is come back to Quora, reply to this question over here. So just paste this, click on enter, and you can put the link, for example, to your landing page that you've now, let's go proof, for example, that you've now created on Bullroll with all of your proof over here. So that's why A landing page with good quality content, a lot of copyright and a lot of text plays a big role. The way you market your tool plays a big role in the success of your affiliate program. So this is a great way to get started with affiliate marketing. Create a landing page with Builderall. Like I said, if you want to get Builderall for $1 and all these funnels just like this one over here, you can come over to the second link in the description. It will say Builderall for just $1. You'll be able to get that through my affiliate link, and from there you can get started and create yourself a funnel just like this. And also, I wanted to show you something amazing. I just want to quickly actually log into one of my drop servicing stores quickly. Just quickly signing in with my details. And I quickly want to show you this. So this little store over here is a store that I created just 6 days ago. Okay, remember, it's a brand new store. Hasn't been scaled yet. I'm just testing it out and trying it out. But in the first week, I've already generated $791 profit, which is not bad for a brand new store. I mean, I've had stores that have hit over 6 figures in 1 year in profit. For this store to be on $700 the first week is really not bad, so hopefully it will get to maybe $2,000, $3,000 the first month, and from there it's going to scale to $10,000 every single month. But if you want to learn exactly how I build multiple stores, just like this one over here, I have an entire, if I can actually come over to the website, it's what you call the Drop Servicing University, which is an online university or 57 intensive training program with me that teaches you exactly how to build these successful drop servicing stores, how to actually get sales, not just like pasting links everywhere. It's a real whole Google Ads formula and drop servicing combo that I use to scale big time with drop servicing and get tons of sales. If you actually come over to the first link in the description, there's a whole 7-minute video over here that shows you exactly what's in this university, exactly all of my results from this, and also my backstory on drop servicing and how I got started. Over here you can see people that have sent me messages on their own results. A lot of people are succeeding with this, and this program has changed a lot of people's lives. And you can actually get in this program your own done-for-you drop servicing agency already made for you. You just have to put it into action. So all I suggest is just come over to the first link in the description. You can actually check out this coupon over here. You get lifetime access. You get access to a whole group. You get tons of different bonuses as well, such as a email marketing and drop servicing combo, tons of free traffic, one-on-one lifetime video mentoring with me, which is the first link in the description. So if you want to see all of this, like I said, you can come over to the first link in the description. I'll see you over here, and also on the screen above somewhere here, I will leave a link to my Builderall playlist where you can get tons of Builderall training on how to make funnels and landing pages. But without further ado, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.